A little bit of Taipa in front of your eyes. A little bit of Taipa under your feet. Taipa Village, a little dot on the map, but oh so damn cool. Taipa Village, a little bit of Taipa in front of your eyes. A little bit of Taipa under your feet. Taipa Village, a little dot on the map, but oh so damn cool. Taipa Village. A little bit of Taipa in front of your eyes. A little bit of Taipa under your feet. Taipa Village, a little dot on the map, but oh so damn cool. Taipa Village.
Okay, we're going to do a Taipa Village one, and we're just going to walk through. A lot of people will film this sign right here. So we're going to walk through it and just kind of give you an idea of Taipa Village on a rainy day. So stay tuned for that. Okay, another slice of Macau. This is Taipa Village. This is, I'm just going to take the camera and just go through it, starting with some Macau signage, and just kind of bring you right through to the other end. So kind of a simple video. Let's put it up on the map. You can see exactly where we are. The music is something that I created and put it into AI. The lyrics are coming down the screen. And let's just get right into Taipa and show it as if you were there yourself. So we kind of have a rainy day. That Macau sign right there is very popular, so people are lining up. We're going to stroll through all of this. It looks like they're all lined up. So on one side they're lined up to be in front of the Macau, and then the other one they're the photographer side. Kind of interesting. Let's just pass through here. So yeah, kind of interesting. So we are going to pass through this whole space. This is a challenge to navigate in here. So this right over here is Taipa Village. We're going to be strolling through there in a second. You can see some of the casinos. There's Galaxy Casino down that way. We are going to try... We'll just walk down this way a little bit, and then we're going to go into Taipa Village. So we're giving you a little bit of an idea of Taipa in 2025. Today it's a holiday weekend, 3-day holiday weekend, so there's a lot of tourists here. They tend to be over there. And now's our chance. So let's stroll over. We're gonna go through this little crowd here. Okay, so we're gonna go into Taipa Village. I filmed not too long ago right here. They had a Chinese opera right here, so they had that all set up. So that's what this is all about. There's a temple right there. The opera was on stage right there. I'm gonna go through. So we're gonna stroll on through. So they have some OTT is kind of a popular, very popular place. So there's people hanging out there today on a Saturday afternoon. I'm gonna keep on strolling through. A lot of different ways we could go. We're gonna go this way. You can see all this construction. There's two green ones right here. Just kind of give you an idea of what it looks like here in 2025, and today's date is April 5. So this is going to be all new right here. So I'm trying to keep this updated because this is going to keep changing and transforming. And I think, and then maybe we'll walk through this way, I guess. Well, I'm gonna be filming the street, and I think that another time period it'll be busier. It's a rainy day, but they're trying to create more space in here. But we're gonna keep on walking around this way because I'm gonna go right towards where there's a lot more people around. This is St. John Street. We're going to continue on this way. Getting a little bit of an idea. Here's Carlsberg. Got some CO2. Getting all set up for the bar for later. Restaurant. And now we're going to get into where all the people are at. Which is going to be straight down that way. You can already see some of the crowds. So we're gonna walk right through it, and we're gonna walk into it more. This is all part of Taipa Village as well. I'll just kind of give you a big tour more than anything today. A lot of times I usually will do streets, but this particular one is, I kind of want to start at that beginning spot. Let's see if we can get through here. Brown Steady Bakery. Huh, pretzels. So we are going to try to get through here. Let's see. This bakery is relatively new. So we're going to keep on strolling through. So I think that bakery, I don't recall that bakery. This is popular as well. There's a puppet show up here. Let's see what this is all about. 絲綢瓷器貿易嘅意外啊！以前咧，葡萄牙商船啊，可以話去勻全北半球咁滯㗎。佢哋以澳門為中心，去歐洲、東南亞、馬六甲、中國，仲有日本。去太平洋貿易網，咁啱我有艘商船去緊日本，又咁啱見到所有錢壓上去葡萄牙，又咁啱艘船喺大陸失咗蹤啊！ 但如果我揾翻樓船，我幫我捐錢做主教堂啊！我哋都只識答好啊！我哋都好慘啊，唱人啊，好辛苦啊！嚟，唔好傷心，我哋一齊祈禱，相信一定會揾得翻㗎。We're gonna meander through a little bit more. Gonna go over to the main street over here. So we're going towards Cunha. Sometimes they call it Food Street. Rua de Cunha. Move this up. Let me see. It's actually raining today, so. Lots of people everywhere today. Let's just get up above a little bit. Kind of wet, kind of raining today, as you can see. But we just went through Cunha Guy, Huda Cunha. Let's keep going up. Let's see if we can stroll through here. Everybody's in line for that one thing. Actually, there's lines everywhere today. Let's see if we can sneak by here. We just kind of try to capture a little bit of we're gonna go up to here. This wall is very photogenic. There we go. So anyways, this is a little bit of an idea of Taipa Village. Of course, there's a lot more to see. It'd probably take like at least 45 minutes to properly document it with the camera. It's very photogenic. Okay, let's just keep on going up. Oh, we're just gonna go up to the top. We're gonna go up to this little blue thing, right? Oh, it's blocked. So today it's actually blocked. There's a coffee shop with another rooftop up there. I was gonna try to get the view from up there, but I cannot. So we're gonna end our video by, at least you have an idea, a little bit of Taipa Village. It's quite busy today. It's a 3-day holiday weekend here throughout China and in Macau as well. So on that note, we'll end our video right here. So a slice of Taipa Village. We went from, basically we went across it and we kind of went, you didn't see all of it, but you saw at least a slice of it. So there you go.
A village, a little dot on the map, but oh so damn cool. Taipa Village.